Yeah, hey. So I'm out in the forest. It's a beautiful day at the end of September. I've gone topless. It's that warm actually. It's really, really warm, and I'm up on the top of a hill in a lavu, and I can hear all the birds gathering down by the lake below. There's hundreds if not thousands of them, and they're all singing along. Every now and then they take off and go for a flight. So I am getting ready to start my fire here, and I have my homemade wood stove. I'm using an IKEA utensil holder, and on the base of it I've used some bolts and some bits of metal to act as stabilizers. I simply bolt it to the bottom, and it makes it quite stable. And I have my tinder ready here. I have some old man's beard, which I've gathered from some trees today, and I have some birch bark, which again I've gathered as I was walking here from some dead trees. And this is going to go in as my my tinder to get my fire started. And then I've broken up some birch into, I have some small pieces here to help get the fire started, and then I have some slightly larger pieces here which will give the fire that density of energy, so it will burn for a good while. And once this gets going, I can gather some more twigs to keep it burning, and I'm going to do a brew up some tea, and I'll cook myself some kind of meal. So it won't be Master Chef, but it always tastes better outdoors. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Simple homemade IKEA utensil wood stove, and anyone can do this. You don't need to go out and buy an expensive stove. This is very simple to do, and you can use it again and again and again, and quite cheap and very light. No working parts to break, as it were. So yeah, in a few minutes I'll have this going, and I'll start brewing up my tea. So this is my wood stove. I've got it started, and it's quite happily burning away. Just the kindling in there at the moment, and as you can see, the flame is directed upwards, and I have it in a control thing with some rocks, fireplace, but the direction of the energy is directed upwards, so it's quite effective, you know. So I've got my kettle on top of the stove, and as you can see, there's a good generous focused heat. It's focused upwards in a tube, as it were, in the direction of the utensil holder, so the energy gets directed up towards whatever it is that you're cooking. And that's it. I boiled my water, and I've poured my pasta mix into it, and I think this will cook away nicely. Won't take too long. As you can see, plenty of heat and energy there. So yeah, just put my pot on top and let it do its work. Yep, simple, burning away, nice and controlled, and just cooking my pasta, stirring it now and then, and hopefully it turns out tasty enough. But it usually tastes better when it's cooked outdoors. You can possibly see it beginning to bubble away there, so getting to the getting to the right temperature and so on. So yeah, that's it, cooking away quite nicely. I've got my fettuccine carbonara with some ham mixed in, so, and hopefully it tastes okay. And yeah, cooking away quite nicely there. So here we go.